The following lessons in this entire module will be around CapCut, and by the end of them you will have proficiency in CapCut. Before we do get started, I want to mention a simple note, and end the debate about which particular software is better. All editing software have their unique capabilities, but on the surface level, for the majority of the edits that are required by clients, businesses, brands, or you as a creator, you need not worry about the editing application. If you're leaning towards CapCut, that's most likely because it's a free editing software. The key concept I want you to understand is, it's not the software that makes the content creation. It's the editor behind the software. But let's not get all philosophical and let's jump straight into our home screen. So when we load up CapCut, this is the first screen you'll see. It's the welcome screen, and once you start creating your own videos, projects will get saved automatically and you'll be able to toggle through different projects by clicking this grid icon over here, and you can change from viewing them in a grid structure or a list structure. If CapCut is going to be your main editing software, then you might have multiple projects. Therefore, a quick way to find them within their welcome screen is to hit the search button. So I'm going to go ahead and click on New Project. This is the interface for CapCut, and this is what we'll be working in for the rest of our lessons. What I want to do very quickly is import a video, and what I'm going to do is, over here on the left-hand panel, click Import, click on my 2D animation video and go ahead and import this. So as you can see, I've got my video imported and I also can see this video in the preview section. However, the video is not currently in my timeline. I'm going to drag the video over to my timeline and let go. So here I can drag my playhead across and see the 2D animation video in the preview section. Really simple lesson as we get familiar with the welcome screen, and in the next lesson, let's deep dive the user interface and orientation of CapCut.